Hi everybody, so today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the different types of memberships and packaging options that we offer. We have a plethora of options here for you. We like to provide these because this just gives you an opportunity to come and be with us a little more often to be consistent with your skincare and your treatment options. So we offer packaging where you get a discount when you purchase a package. We also have actual memberships that are wonderful. Just a few of our memberships. We do have Bank Your Botox with Becky. This is a nice one because you can purchase up front 100 units of Botox, and where she's normally $13 per unit, you're going to get it for $11 per unit when you bank your Botox with her, and you use this throughout the year every 3 to 4 months. Okay, and then of course our Hydrafacial memberships, we offer 2 different options with that. I'm not going to go through everything, but if you'd like more information, you can find that on our website, or you can call and ask questions about it as well. Or better yet, schedule a consultation and I'll go through all of it with you to see what is best for you. We also offer packaging options with the Hydrafacials as well, if contracts don't work for you. This is a great one too with Rosie. She does the Ultherapy, and she's got the Brow Wow membership as well as the Lip Flip membership. I've done both of these. I still do both of these, and I love them as well. Remember, Ultherapy deals with the muscle, so it helps to cause a contraction within the muscle that stimulates that collagen in order to tighten that muscle and help put it somewhat back where it is. It's not a surgical result, but it is definitely a good non-surgical result. Also get glowing. So this is a nice one too. This is with Becky. It has to do with our Sciton Laser options, and so you definitely want to check into that. And then one of our packages we have going on right now is the Age Back Power Pack. So this is with both myself and our nurse practitioner, Becky. And so these treatments include 1 laser treatment and 4 and/or 6 BBL treatments. That's broadband light treatments. So this is going to help to tighten the skin, even the skin tone out. If you have underlying redness, we can also address that with broken capillaries. And we can go in and treat specifically those dark spots that you have concerns with too. If you already have healthy skin, BBL is still good for that as well, so you don't have to get a laser treatment. We do have packaging that is also for the BBL, and you can do 4 or 6 of those as well. We do require that you have a consultation whenever you're having one of these treatments so that we can make sure that we're doing something that is specific to your concerns, and we can also customize that for you. So as you can see, we have a ton of different options for you, so don't think all of this is out of your reach. Give us a call today.